Hi everyone, in this video for grade 9 we have 2.2, which is about dividing powers on page 52 in the book. In this lesson we have dividing powers. Again we talk about the powers, we simplify them, but if we have division, if we have fraction means division, how we can do that? We had a rule which you studied in grade 8. Whenever you have fraction, it means division. If you have the same base, always you write one base, power of the numerator minus power of the denominator. That's how you can solve each question about the powers, dividing powers. Now, question 1, base 3. Simply you can say 3 to the power of 8 minus 2, always the power in the numerator minus the power in the denominator, whatever you have. It will be 3 power 6. Then x power 5 equals x power 5 minus 5, which would be x power 0, and anything power 0 equals 1, you know, except 0 power 0, which is undefined, but others, anything that you got power 0 equals 1. This is done. For this one, before doing that, we have a bracket and we have a power on it. We solve that first, then we do a with a, b with b. It would be a power 5, b power 9, same, over this power would be for all of them, which would be a power 4, b power 4. Now we do for the a's, we have power 5, power 4 means 5 minus 4. For the b's, we have 9 minus 4. We will get a power 1. If it's power 1, even you can just write like that. It's a power 1. Or you can write same, b power 5. This is about the first 3 questions. The next 3, let's see how we do. All about dividing powers. Let's go to the next 3 questions that we have. Then question 4, 5, 6. Question 4, the bases we have 2, we have 3, we have 5. Each one of them, we write it as one base, the power of the numerator, which is 3. Power of the denominator is not written, it means 1. 3 minus 1. In the 3's, we will get power 2 minus 4. In the 5's, 7 minus 5. All the power in the numerator minus the power of the denominator. We will get 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power negative 2 multiplied by 5 power 2. That's about this one. The next one, which is number 5, this fraction, all power 3. We write just this power would be for all elements that you have in the bracket. It would be 3 power 3 over 4 power 3. If it is evaluate question, it means if the question asks to evaluate or calculate or the result equals how much, you must make it numbers, like 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, you must do that. But if it's simplified, that much is enough. If it's simplified, that much is enough. If it is evaluate, it would be like 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 would be 27. 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, it would be 64. This would be the final result of calculate or evaluate. This one, 2x power 3 yz, all power 2. In this question, because we have the bracket power 2, this power is for all of them. We say 2 power 2, we say x power 3, x power 3 power 2. For all elements that you have, you must give that power 2 over y power 2, z power 2. Now 2 power 2 is 4. X power 3 power 2, we know that, we studied, you must multiply them. It will be x power 6 over y power 2 and z power 2. We have only this number, we have only this x, there is no other x, we have only this y, only this z, each one of them in one place we have, so this will be the final result. We cannot simplify more. That's about these 3 questions. And for the next 3, which we have negative powers over the bracket, whenever you got negative power over the bracket, you can just make it positive by flipping the fraction that you have. Just make the fraction upside down, and then you can solve as positive power. Look, 2 over 5 to the power of negative 3. We will just flip upside down the fraction that we have. We will make it 5 over 2. Then the power will be positive, just by making upside down of the fraction, the power will be positive. Always you can do that, you can use it, always possible. When the power is negative, just change it, the power will be positive. Only the power will change, nothing else will change from the sign of the numbers. It will be 5 power 3, 2 power 3. 5 power 3 over 2 power 3. They are different bases. For simplify, that's all that we can do. For the next one, we have power negative. At first, we can make it upside down, y power 2 over 3x, all power positive 3. Now this power of 3, we can give it to all of them. Y power 2 power 3, 3 power 3, x power 3. X power 3. Now, for the y, 2, 3, it will be y power 6, because you multiply, over 3 to the power of 3, 27, x to the power of 3. We just have that y, we just have that number, and this x, we cannot simplify. That's the final result of the question that we have. In number 9, we have 2 brackets. We solve each one of them, then we see if we have simplified, we do, otherwise this will be the final result. We have power negative 1, we flip the fraction, which will be 4 over 3 power 1. Power 1, even you can just leave it without writing, multiplied by, because we have power negative 2, we will make it 3y over 2x power 2. 4 over 3 power 1 means just 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2, y to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, x to the power of 2. Done for now. For the numbers, 4 over 3 multiplied by 9 y power 2 multiplied by 4x power 2. In this step you can cancel 4 and 4 because there's multiplication between them, one in the up, one in the down. You can simplify and it can be divided by 3, divided by 3, or you can do the multiplication at first then simplify, both of them possible. Equals 4 multiply 9, 36 y power 2, 3 multiply 4, 12x power 2. And in this case, because the numbers can be simplified more, you can simplify it. 36 over 12, both of them can be divided by 12, or you can start with both of them can be divided by 2. In some steps you can do, which one you like you can do, or both of them can be divided by 3. All the cases are possible to do. Which one you think is easier, you can do that. But now 36 can be divided by 12, and 12 divided by 12 is 1, 36 divided by 12 is 3. Even if you do by the other steps, divide by 2, divide by 2, then go on step by step, you will get the same. It would be 3 y power 2 over 1x power 2. 1x power 2, whenever you have 1 in the coefficient, it's fine to not write it down. It's just 1x power 2, just like that. That's all about dividing powers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.